Hey, you want to make money, but you're an introvert? Here's a way that you can do it. Next. Hey, what's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I'm going to share with you a way that you can make money online as an introvert. Now, I did another video talking about this, and the method I talked about was being a Kindle book publisher, which is a great way if you're not really a people person, you kind of like don't like being around people or interacting with people on a regular basis. That is a great idea, right? But another way that you can make money as an introvert is bang, YouTube. You watching it right now, unless you're watching this on my blog or Facebook, but most likely you're watching this on YouTube, and this is a way that you can make money, right? And be an introvert. Now you might be thinking, whoa, I'm an introvert. I don't want to like be seen like that, blah, 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 blah. Now, it depends what kind of introvert you are, because you might just be like, well, you don't want to be seen, da, 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 da. But right now, I'm home alone, as you see, and I consider myself to be somewhat of an introvert. I think I'm an introvert. But anyway, so you could be an introvert and still like right now, be by yourself, filming, whatever. And to me, I feel like this is great if you're an introvert, but you might be such an introvert that you don't even want to be on camera, right? You just like, I'm that out of the game. I don't want nothing to do with nothing. You can still do YouTube videos, but just not be on camera, right? You can use the method that a lot of people are talking about now with the Creative Commons, using other videos, and you can get these videos, you edit them, and you download the videos, Creative Commons, download them to your computer, you upload them to your editing software, make little edits. That's the smart thing to do, and then you can eventually get monetized by YouTube, and you can actually start promoting affiliate products. All right, and you can make a killing if you do the proper research and you really put that effort, put that work in, and you post consistently. You're going to get some results. You're going to start making some money, and really nobody will even know who you are or what you're doing, or they have no clue, because you're so distant from the actual project. All right, so YouTube is definitely a way for introverts to start making money, and it can be passive too as well. Like I said, think about when you make videos. Obviously, if you're watching this video right now, I've already shot the video, right? So I could be asleep, I could be watching a movie, or I'm probably shooting another video. But that's the cool thing about YouTube. It can, once you get it going and really get consistent, it can become passive income on different levels, from the monetization side of things, and from the monetization side of things, and from the if you got affiliate products or anything you're promoting, you can make money like that. Another thing real quick, if you need to get started, what you can do is here's an idea I just thought about it. Well, I mean, just for this video, you can get and become an Amazon associate, which is an Amazon affiliate, and you can find Creative Commons videos on different products, and you can actually, at the end of these videos, you can put your affiliate link down there, your Amazon link, and people can watch videos about whatever the item is, and you can make commissions off of that. If you want to get started like that, that's an option for you. But it's just an easy way, you know what I'm saying? If you're an introvert, that's how you can get started making money online. So if you like this video, you already know, give it the thumbs up. That's what everybody tell you to do. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe, hit that notification button, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want,
from wherever you want, would you? And the third question is, if you could have your own business in $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.